Hi Pisces! This is Pisces Hub. Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, gamitin natin itong The Tarot card. Alamin natin kung ano yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces para sa araw na ito, okay? Reminder lang po na ito ay general reading Pisces. So pwede pong mag-resonate sa'yo, pwede pong hindi. And this is a timeless reading. Ang ating daily reading ay always pong timeless. So kahit anong araw, buwan, o taon mo to napanood, basta magtugma po sa sitwasyon niyo po, take lang. And welcome po ang lahat ng gender, babae, lalaki, LGBT, ay pwede po sa feminine or masculine po, okay? Take lang kung kanino and saan mag-resonate, okay? So, ano po yung mga posibleng mangyari for Pisces sa araw na napanood niya to? Mga gabay, mensahe niyo po para kay Pisces sa araw na ito. Oh, the Judgment. There's something na answered prayers. There's something na it will turn for your favor. Okay, there's something na parang makakarating sa'yo, Pisces. Makakatanggap ka. Okay, or it's like a... wow! The Judgment and the Wheel of Fortune. There's a big change in your life, Pisces, na makakarating, makakatanggap sa'yo. Hindi parang ikaw yung makakatanggap or it's something like you will receive something, Pisces. Okay? Or something, kung sa sitwasyon mo nito, parang merong sitwasyon sa buhay mo na parang nagbago. Okay? Or magbabago. I don't know what it is, Pisces, kasi alamin natin mamaya kung ano ito. Pwedeng sa love, pwedeng sa career, pwedeng sa family, friendship, okay? Or anything. Ano pa po? Sige pa. There's something na change. Turn table. Parang ganun. Tables are turning. Parang nagbago. Parang merong... and there is a King of Swords. Pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na King of Swords, masculine energy, na it will come fast. So, you're dealing with someone na nasa authority, okay? Or there is someone na mataas yung antas sa trabaho, or something like, pwedeng siya yung gagawa ng decision, Pisces, na, kumbaga, there's something fast na you will receive coming from this person na there's something na drastic change in your life. Mabilisan, okay? I don't know what it is, Pisces, pero merong darating for you na mabilis. Okay? Or something like snap na nagbago or something like magulat ka. Okay? It's like a tables are turned. Okay? So, sige pa. Or pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, the King of Swords, na you will make a big decision in life na pagbabago sa buhay. Or kung hindi naman totally pagbabago, it's something like merong wow, there's a family. Happy family card. Okay, so it's like you will make a big decision or there is someone na magme-make ng big decision na parang mabilis, parang impulsive yung decision na iyon. Okay, na kung ano man yung gagawing decision or leap of faith or anything na ginawa or gagawin ng taong to or ikaw, Pisces. It's a big change in your life together with your family. Okay, it will like tables are turned. O, paulit-ulit ko yung naririnig. It's like tables are turned. Naikot yung buhay. Okay? Naikot yung mesa. Okay? Kumbaga, kung nasa baba ka, pupunta ka sa taas. Okay? Para pong ganon. Okay? So, there's something na change and there's something na impulsive decision making. Okay? So, it's either ikaw yung gagawa nito, Pisces, or you're dealing with someone na ganito na. Gagawa na siya ng action and wow, there's the Star and four of cups, Pisces. You will receive a news, decision, as I said kanina, or something like action coming from this person or ikaw, Pisces. Okay, and it's like something na ikakasaya mo. Okay, it's like a decision or transformation or change in your life na you will appreciate. Okay? Hindi siya specifically kung love man ito or sa trabaho or sa anything na mahalaga para sa'yo. Pero kung ano man yung itong decision making, impulsive decision, fast action, kumbaga, ito ay mangyayari for your side, Pisces. Okay? For your favor, kumbaga. Okay? And pwedeng ikaw 'tong makakatanggap ng parang news, balita, okay, coming from this person na pwedeng kay King of Swords, okay? Or pwedeng naghihintay ka ng result regarding of whatever you made a decision, and yung result na iyon, Pisces, is kumbaga para siyang positive, happiness, okay? It's like a dreams do come true, okay? Kasi nakikita niyo, itong card kasi na star is like dreams do come true. It's like manifestations. It's like parang abundance na para sa'yo, okay? Kumbaga, ibibigay sa'yo, okay? And lalo na meron tayo ditong Wheel of Fortune. Ito yung card na pinakaswerte, okay? Ito yung card na, kumbaga, it's like a lucky card. Although, meron naman ditong iba na mga lucky cards din, okay? Pero ito yung parang nagsisignify na merong change sa buhay mo na it will turn for your favor, okay? Para sa'yo, kumbaga. Okay? So, it's either you are the King of Swords or there is someone na King of Swords na magme-make ng decision po. And itong decision, itong action na ito is, it's like a sudden, impulsive, mabilisan, okay? And there's a 5 of Pentacles. Naririnig ko yung word na ghosting or something like separated, okay? Or something like parang self-pity, loneliness, okay? So, it's either you will hear from someone na parang nang ghost sa'yo, lumayo sa'yo, iniwan ka sa ere, parang ganon, okay? Or parang, kung hindi man to itong past na ito, or kung sino man itong dinidil mo, there is someone na magsi-step up for you para hindi ka na makaranas ng ganito, Pisces, okay? So, pwedeng ito ay sa trabaho po. There's something na big positive, there's something na big change for your life na kumbaga, kung nandito ka man sa taas, sa baba, pupunta ka dito sa taas, which is 10 of Cups, okay? So, it's like you will hear a news or sudden change, sudden decision na magugulat ka na para sa'yo. Okay? Naririnig ko yung word na confession. I don't know kung sino magko-confess, siya, ikaw, okay? And mabilis to, Pisces. And naririnig ko yung word na drunk, lasing. Okay? I don't know kung bakit merong lasing na naririnig ko yung drunk. Okay? So, pwedeng makakatanggap ka ng drunk message, Pisces, or ikaw yung gagawa nun, and there's something na shocking, sudden, mabilis, all of a sudden, parang ganon. So, it's like, ayun, Knight of Cups. Reach out. News, happy news, okay? Mabilisan. Ito kasi is like a messenger of good news, Pisces, okay? So, kung ano man tong yan, no? Nakikita nyo yan, ayan. Darating siya yung nagdadala gamit nito. Okay, nakikita nyo yan. So, pwedeng nanggaling ito kay King of Swords na mabilis, hindi mo ina-expect, pero kung ano man itong darating, it's like a blessing, it's like it is happening for you. It is happening for the benefit of your side, Pisces. Okay? So, kung ano man ito, it's either ikaw yung gagawa ng decision, ikaw yung magsisend, okay? Or there is someone na magsisend, magre-reach out sa'yo na ikakasaya mo. Okay? It will sa side mo, Pisces, kumbaga. Okay? And it comes from someone. As I said kanina, pwedeng iniwan ka nito ng ghost sa'yo. This person is something like lasing. Yun narinig ko kanina, Pisces, drunk message, okay? So, pwedeng akala mo wala na to, Pisces. Akala mo parang tapos na to, okay? Especially kung medyo nagkalabuan kayo nito, alam mo yun, nagka-parted ways, or this person ghosted you, okay? Pero, makakatanggap ka ng mensahe, Pisces, and it's all about emotions, and mabilisan to, hindi mo ine-expect, hindi mo siya mamamalayan, mabilis siya, Pisces, and ayun no, this is coming from someone na a little bit of toxic, okay, a little bit of something like hindi ganun kagandahan yung ginawa, okay, this person is aware kung ano yung ginawa niya sa'yo, or pwedeng ikaw to, Pisces, you are aware kung ano yung ginawa mo sa taong to, okay, so kung ano man ito, it's still up to you, Pisces, pero feel ko magiging masaya ka sa kung ano man itong darating for you. Okay, sa kung ano man itong message, kasi there's a Knight of Cups na dala nitong 10 of Cups, which is happiness, happy family, happy emotion, parang ganon, okay? Bottom of the deck is 5 of Swords. This is obviously coming from someone na naglakad sa'yo palayo. Iniwan ka sa ere, iniwan mo sa ere, tinalikuran mo, Pisces, tumalikod sa'yo. Pwede pong ganon, okay? So, this person have something na impulsive decision, impulsive action na darating para sa'yo, and kung ano man yun, it's still up to you, Pisces. Pero feel ko magiging masaya ka, or merong katiting sa puso mo na happiness. Kung ano man yung matatanggap mong mensahe or action na galing sa taong to. Okay, so saglit lang. Kuha tayo siguro ng The Hidden Truth Oracle card. So gamitin natin to. Alamin natin kung ano yung sasabihin ng specific person mo, Pisces. Okay, kasi itong oracle cards na ito is like a messages coming from your person po. Okay, so saglit lang, ayusin natin to. Ano po yung gustong sabihin ng taong dinidil ni Pisces? Yan, as I said kanina, Pisces, I want to tell you how I feel. Gusto niya sabihin kung ano yung nararamdaman niya, Pisces. Pwedeng ito ay sa pamamagitan ng drunk messages. Okay? Pwedeng lasing itong taong to, or pwedeng ikaw po, and magsisend siya sa'yo ng message all of a sudden. Pwedeng hindi mo alam, hindi mo namamalayan, hindi mo napapansin, pero meron kang matatanggap na mensahe coming from this person. Okay? Gusto niya sabihin lahat. Finding out the truth crush me. So, it's either meron siyang nalaman towards you, meron siyang mga something like realization sa kung ano man yung connection yung dalawa. Nasasaktan siya, hindi mo lang napapansin, Pisces. Okay? So, ano pa po yung message niyo po? I hid who I really am from you. Tinago niya sa'yo kung sino talaga siya, Pisces. Okay, kung ano talaga yung nasa loob-loob niya, tinago niya sa'yo. Okay, and gusto niya nang sabihin lahat. Ano pa po yung message niyo po for Pisces sa araw na ito? I want to feel that way again. Namimiss ka ng taong to. Namimiss niya yung bonding niyo dati. Namimiss niya yung kung ano kayo dati. Okay, and feel ko, pwedeng naka-move on ka na, Pisces, and itong taong to is sa kanya pa na-realize. Pwede pong ganun. I feel you leaving me behind. Ayun. Nararamdaman ng taong to na unti-unti ka nang lumalayo sa kanya. Unti-unti ka nang nakaka-move on, Pisces, or nararamdaman ng taong to na parang hindi ka na konektado sa kanya. Okay? And andun yung realization ng taong to na namimiss ka niya, namimiss niya yung dating kayo, namimiss, alam mo yun, and pwede makakatanggap ka ng mensahe na posibleng ganito yung sasabihin niya sa'yo, okay? And there's a bottom of the deck, I am becoming a better person. Gusto niyang magbago para sa'yo, Pisces. So, it's still up to you, Pisces, kung ano yung decision na gagawin mo, pero ito yung mga posibleng mangyari, ito yung mga posibleng sabihin ng taong dinidil niyo po in a unexpected time. Okay? So, kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words, kung sino or ano po itong konektado sa reading natin ngayon. Kuha tayo ng mga initials, random words. na posibleng konektado. Chinito, chinita. Kakilala mula sa malayo. Mayaman. Older. Travel, okay. Dagat. Madaldal. Matangos ang ilong. Motor, letter D. Date. And pets. Okay, so pwede pong nandito, pwede pong wala. It's okay lang. Okay, so yun po ang ating reading for Pisces sa araw na ito. Naway nag-resonate po. Huwag niyo po sanang kalimutan na mag-like at mag-subscribe po sa ating channel and click the bell button, Pisces, para ma-notify po kayo sa next videos na i-upload natin. Okay, so thank you, Pisces, and God bless!